Hey YouTube, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. In the last few weeks, months-ish, really been doing some product highlights for you. So if you guys are thinking about building your own first aid kit or some additions that you didn't really think about your first aid kit, we've been kind of highlighting those here on the channel for medical gear outfitters. In this video, I want to talk about the bags that we carry here at MGO. Like I said, we've covered a lot of products, so now I want to kind of talk about the bags because each bag has its own purpose, its own style, and kind of what you're thinking about, where you're going to mount it, where you're just going to go in your backpack, your vest, you're going to carry on your person, or where you're going to carry it. If it's going to ride in your vehicle, then you're looking for a different style bag. Maybe it's the size. You're just going to carry a little small kit, or you're looking for a really big kit. So I'm going to go through our bags that we carry and kind of give you some ideas when you're trying to build your own first aid kit. So the first one we'll take a look here is the Condor TK pouch. This is going to be great on a battle belt, your utility belt, whatever you're carrying. And then you put your tourniquet on the outside, all your supplies go on the inside. Has a little holder here for a Sharpie or deco needle, and it's going to use MOLLE straps that come with it to mount to the belt. And we have this made up in a trauma kit already ready to go if you're interested in purchasing it as a complete kit. So the next bag we'll take a look at here is the Condor Ripaway. So this is a smaller pouch here. We use it for our bleeding control kit, but it has a rip-off panel. So if you're going to use it for like a backpack or range bag or even like a plate carrier, this would MOLLE in to your panel and then just rips away. So if you need it, you just rip it off and then get the supplies out of it. Super handy little pouch. The next pouch we'll talk about is the Condor EMT pouch here. So it MOLLEs into the back just as well. We demoed this bag last week's video on our small MOLLE kit. So we did a very detailed video on that kit, which uses this pouch. The Condor Ripaway pouch is a little bit bigger than the light. This is the light Ripaway. This is the regular Ripaway, so it's a little bit bigger. You can see it's even bigger than the regular EMT pouch, but it has the same panel on the back that's going to pull away. So very similar to this kit here, just a larger bag. We use this for a lot of kits that we use, some of our larger kits. It's a very versatile bag, so we can put a lot of small little items in here. And then I like the fold down, tri-fold here, that we could put a lot of our small items, our wipes, antibiotic, ointments, band-aids, all that in here so it doesn't fall out. But we use this bag for a lot of our kits. So going down to the bottom shelf here, we have the Condor deployment bag. This is a great little bag for your vehicle. It's bigger than these here, but you're thinking about a vehicle kit. We use this for our response kit that we built. God, that's been years and years and years ago we built that response kit, but it has a pressure bandage in it, has a rolled splint, so something that you're going to be in your vehicle for injuries like to sporting events, car wrecks, stuff like that. But this is a great little bag if you're looking to build a vehicle kit. And then the last bag I'm going to show you that we carry from Condor is their utility bag. So we built our active shooter kit out of this, but it's a great little bag. Even if you're just looking for something other than a first aid kit, it has lots of little pockets on the inside. You can MOLLE more stuff to the outside. Has our MOLLE straps here. A great bag. Think about a range kit, something like that you can carry your supplies in. So on this side of our shelf, we carry the Vanquest line of products. And then this is the Vanquest Fatpack Pro backpack. We have a kit built out of this, a nice little small backpack that you could carry. We also have the Pro large, which is a little bit bigger bag here that we can build a kit out of well. We actually have a kit design that goes into that bag. But if you're looking for a backpack style kit that's not some ginormous bag, but it's enough to keep a lot of supplies, then I would look at that kit there. We have also the 4x6, the 5x8, and the 7x10 fat packs. So some advice I would give you if you're looking at purchasing one of the fat packs is it has the MOLLE webbing on the back, but you're going to need the clips to clip in those, and we actually sell those extra. Over here, you can get those in tan or wolf gray. But you're going to have to purchase those separate if you'd like to MOLLE this onto a backpack, a range bag, something like that. If you go back and look at last week's video on the small kit we built, we showed you the 4x6. If you go watch the civilian medical trauma kit I did a couple weeks ago, you'll see the 5x8. So you've seen those in detail. And then let's show you the 7x10 here. There again, lots of room to add some good supplies. We put our response kit in this, and then has a fold-out pouch here for the smaller items so they don't get lost. And then if you're looking for a more traditional first aid kit, we carry the line of products from Rothco. So this is the first responder kit here. Opens up. I can get it to open up. It's cold here in South Carolina. It just snowed really good for us. But a big kit, so you're looking for a home kit, a vehicle kit, this is gonna be the bag you're gonna look for. We have it in orange, blue, red, and we also stock black as well. But it has a first aid symbol on the front here, and just really able to keep all of your supplies organized for that large kit that you're looking at building. We built a first responder kit out of this back here, and we still didn't fill it up. There's still room inside that bag when you order the first responder kit to pack more items in your bag. So I hope this video helped. Hopefully one of these bags will fit your need that you're looking for your first aid kit. I'm gonna put a link down below to Medical Gear Outfitters. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.